This is about our Jamaat's migration from Qadian to Rabwa. So that time he is not very good in Bengali, that's why in short he put the question. But the background is at that time Huzur was I think 17 or 18 when our Jamaat migrated from Qadian to Rabwa. So he wants to know
16 or 17.
Yeah, 16 or 17. So he wants to, he requested Huzur to give a description of the incident as you have seen it.
You see, during the partition, there were many refugees in Qadian, and Qadian used to feed sometimes 100,000 people. For that, wheat had been collected even much before, fearing the riots, etc. And also, the wheat was collected because of Jalsa Salanas. So, in preparation for Jalsas, the wheat is always collected. So, with the grace of Allah, and these, the Qadian people were capable of feeding the hungry immigrants who had come from different Sikh villages, etc., for the first shelter in Qadian. And then they were sent to Pakistan, mostly protected by Ahmadi officers who had brought their convoys, and they took them with very special care all along the Indian part of the route until they reached Pakistan. So those were very difficult times, and we also participated in every sort of sacrifice. We didn't want to leave Qadian, despite the fact that it was very dangerous, but we were so charged by Allah that we hated to leave Qadian. And whenever some of us were called from Lahore by Hazrat Nusrat Maud to return, we kept crying. And it was the attachment at that time with Qadian of all Ahmadis was miraculous. So this is a long story because of the shortage of time. For the time being, that should suffice, that during the partition days, Ahmadis offered great sacrifices, and even the Ahmadi aeroplanes used to come and used to bombard those places where there was danger against caravans. And like Mir Muhammad Ahmad Sahib, he used to drive the Ahmadi plane for this purpose, and many times bullets riddled his plane, but he was a very good pilot, and with the grace of Allah, he escaped the enemy's bullets. But at that time, people of Amritsar bore witness that because of these aeroplane sorties and because of Ahmadi convoys, hundreds of thousands of Muslims were saved. And in those days, the anti-Ahmadiyya newspaper Zamindar was full of praises for Ahmadiyyat. Later on they forgot it, of course, like it was expected of them. But in those days, it was full of praises for Ahmadis, and said that but for the sacrifices of Qadian and Ahmadis in general, hundreds of thousands of Muslims could have been slaughtered there. Right?